Hello everybody, my name is Leslie, also known as Hidden in Makeup, and today I'm going to be getting ready with you guys using the RV times Alicia Machado Professional Palette. So if you guys are interested and want to see what look I come up with, then just stay watching. So the first thing that I always like to do before applying any type of product to my face is I always like to wash it, exfoliate it, and tone it. So I already went ahead and did that off camera, so now my next step is to moisturize my skin. The moisturizer that I've been recently loving is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, and recently I've been loving this moisturizer. And the reason I want to moisturize my face is because we want a really nice canvas to work with. So now that I'm moisturized and my skin is feeling and looking good, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this palette from the Professionals palette, and I'm going to go ahead and start doing my eyebrows. So now that my brows are done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer on my eyelids. What this is going to do is going to help me prime my lids, but at the same time, it's going to help me get rid of any discoloration that I might have on my eyelids. Okay, so now that we're done priming our lids, now it's time for the fun part. So now we are ready to start blending and applying our shadows. Okay, so the first shade that we're going to be using, it's going to be Malala, and I'm going to be applying this all over my crease. Okay, so now that we have that shade blended to our liking, now I'm going to go ahead and grab the shade Achieve, and I'm going to be applying this shade in the outer corner of my lid. And then with whatever I have left on my brush, I'm going to go ahead and bring it in towards my nose and blending it up, but still leaving that first shade there. Okay, so let's keep going. So now I'm gonna grab the shade On Camera, and I'm gonna do the same thing that we were doing with that shade Achieve. This is basically just to darken it up a little bit more. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and cut our crease. Okay, so now that our crease is done, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the shade On Camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend where the concealer meets the shadow. Okay, so now I am grabbing the shade 1996. It's just a really pretty black shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that in the outer corner of my lid and just blend. Okay, now I'm grabbing the shade Candy Love, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the lid. So I went off camera, I applied some liner, lashes, did foundation, contour, and conceal. So now our next step is to bronze our face. So I'm going to be using the palette for that. To bronze up my face, I'm going to be using the shade La Madame. And I'm going to apply this where I contour. And this shade reminds me a lot of Anastasia's Saddle. So another reason why I'm obsessed with this palette, it's because you literally have everything that you need. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab the shade Impeccable, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my cheeks. So even though I'm happy with the shade Impeccable, I saw this shade Feminist, and you guys, this shade reminds me of the blush from NARS Orgasm. So pretty. I'm obsessed with this shade. Okay, so now I'm going to be spraying some MAC Fix Plus. And this is just going to help it get ready for that highlight that I'm going to be applying. Okay, so now for highlight, I'm going to be using the shade Alicia Machado. I'm also going to be applying that on the tip of my nose and the bridge. For lips, I'm going to be applying my favorite combo, and it's the Moira number 3 lip liner and the Beauty Creations lipstick in the shade Obsessed. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look using the Alicia Machado times RV Cosmetics Professionals palette. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.